send large files on Discord without Nitro on Android. This tutorial shows you how to share big files with anyone on Discord for free. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. Let me show you. After that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right of the screen and tap on Upload. From there, navigate to the large file you want to share and tap on it to upload it to Google Drive. At this point, wait for the upload to complete. Once done, tap and hold on the file to open the options menu. In the next step, tap on Share to open the sharing settings. From there, tap on Change to anyone with the link to make sure anyone who receives the link can access the file. At this stage, tap on Copy Link to copy the shareable link to your clipboard. Following this, open the Discord app on your Android device and go to the channel or direct message where you want to share the file. Once done, tap on the message box and paste the Google Drive link. Then tap Send to share it. Here's an important note. Discord's free file size limit is 25 megabytes. Anything larger than that needs to be shared through a third-party service, like Google Drive, WeTransfer, or Dropbox, to get around this limitation without needing Nitro. And that's it. If this guide helped you send large files on Discord without Nitro, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the